If you survive the dial-up era, you already have the skills you need to master AI. And I'm not saying that as a joke. I mean it literally. Because the toughest parts of using AI today are the things you learned 20 or 30 years ago. Let me show you why the dial-up generation is actually built for AI. Back in the day, home technology was not plug and play. It was plug it in, pray, and hope it doesn't set the house on fire. You dealt with internal modems, IRQ conflicts, COM ports, installation CDs, and setup wizards, and printers that refused to work unless the moon was in the seventh house. Compared to all that, ChatGPT is a breeze. AI today requires patience and trial and error, more than technical skill. Dial-up users already mastered that. You didn't grow up with tap and it works. You grew up with tap, swear, try again, read the manual, try again. That mindset is perfect for AI. Most beginners today type half a sentence into ChatGPT and expect it to read their mind. It won't break anything. It just won't give the best results. If you were vague, they crashed, froze, or beeped at you. So you learn to be specific. That's the core skill of prompting today. AI responds best when instructions are clear, step-by-step, specific, and free of assumptions. And older users instinctively provide context. Many people jump straight to the question and skip the setup. Dial-up users instinctively know to share what they want, why they want it, and what problem they're solving. That's exactly what AI needs to give the right answer, not just a quick one. Your generation grew up writing full emails, not one-line texts. That habit translates directly into better AI results. This might sound strange, but it's true. Dial-up users spent years searching libraries, using encyclopedias, and navigating early Google, troubleshooting error messages, and explaining problems to tech support. All of that taught you one essential lesson. If I want a good answer, I need to ask a good question. That's prompting. Prompt engineering isn't technical, it's communication. And older users are already good at it. You think before you type. You plan before you ask. You break things into steps. AI loves that. There's one rule that makes AI dramatically easier. One prompt. One goal. Most people combine 5 requests into one. Summarize this, rewrite it, shorten it, change the tone, and add examples. That overwhelms the AI. Older users naturally split tasks. First summarize, then rewrite, then edit, then adjust tone. This is how AI works best. It's not about being technical. It's about being clear and structured. A lot of people think AI requires knowing how it works, understanding algorithms, following every new model, and keeping up with tech updates. You don't need any of that. Here's all you need: a clear question, a bit of context, one goal per prompt, and the patience you already built during the 90s tech era. Everything else is optional. AI isn't a technical challenge. It's a communication challenge, and your generation is very good at communicating. So if you've ever felt like AI is too much, remember this: you've already done harder things. Dial-up was harder. Windows 95 was harder. Cable modems were harder. Printers were, and still are, impossible. Compared to all that, AI is manageable. If you want AI explained in plain English, without hype, jargon, or panic, hit subscribe and join the dial-up generation as we learn AI together, one clear step at a time.